As you can see behind me is the main entrance of Know Your Army exhibition, which is being conducted from 15th to 19th of October. The main aim of this exhibition is to increase the awareness about Army, to highlight the welfare activities which are taken by Army, and also to motivate the youth to join the Indian Army. This exhibition is basically divided into two parts. In one part we are having the static display of equipments, in which primarily the infantry equipments, the RT guns, the AD guns, the NBC warfare equipments, the bomb disposal equipment, and models of improvised explosive devices have been kept. The second part covers the adventure shows which are performed by the armed personals. These shows include gymnasts, bodybuilding show by players of international repute, and various other shows including Malkham, which is a traditional form of climbing a pole, Lazium, which is again a traditional form of dance. The list is not exhaustive. These are only the few of the various other facets of armed forces which we are highlighting here. The response from the crowd has been very good, and various schools and colleges, they have been coming in batches. Even now you can see that there are close to 3 to 4 schools whose students have come. So basically the response is very good, and we feel that we have been successful in our aim to reach to the people of Madurai and to highlight to them that Army not only is involved in war, but it is also involved in various other activities. So this exhibition will give you a glimpse of all those other activities which Army is doing. To add on to it, we are also having an organization in Army called the Family Welfare Center. We have put up a stall of Family Welfare Center. This is basically the ladies that are the wives of the soldiers. This highlights the empowerment of women. That is, the wives of the soldiers, they are involved in various handicraft building. So whatever material they build, those are sold at much cheaper rate than the market price, and whatever profit is earned from it, it is again given back to them. So it is kind of a charity measure which we are doing. So the response for that Family Welfare Center has also been very good here. The articles which have been made by the ladies, they have been liked by the localites who are visiting the exhibition, and there has been a high sale in all the equipment, all the articles which we have displayed.
Your name and position.
I am Captain Dheeraj Kumar from MEGN Center, and as you can see, I'll request all of you to come and have a glimpse of all the things which Indian Armed Forces is involved in. Thank you.